Good day, my dear English learners. Today we are going to learn Unit 28, Must and Can't. Let's get it started.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
My house is very near the motorway.
Uyim katta yo'lga juda yaqin joylashgan.
It must be very noisy.
Juda sershovqin bo'lsa kerak.
Must.
Biror narsaning to'g'riligiga ishonch komil bo'lganida qo'llaniladi.
You've been traveling all day. You must be tired.
Kun bo'yi yo'lda bo'lgansiz. Charchagan bo'lsangiz kerak.
Mike is a hard worker.
Mike? You must be joking. He's very lazy.
Mike mehnatkash. Mike'mi? Hazillashayotgan bo'lsang kerak. U juda yalqov.
Natalie must get very bored in her job. She does the same thing every day.
Natali ishida juda zeriksa kerak. U har kun bir xil narsa qiladi.
I'm sure Sally gave me her address. I must have it somewhere.
Sally menga manzilini berganiga aminman. U qayerdadir bo'lishi kerak.
Can't.
Biror narsaning mumkin bo'lmasligiga ishonch komil bo'lganida qo'llaniladi.
You've just had lunch. You can't be hungry already.
Sen hozirgina tushlik qilding. Darrov och qolishing mumkin emas.
Odamlar odatda ovqatdan keyinoq och qolishmaydi. Sen hozirgina ovqatlanding, shuning uchun och qolishing mumkin emas.
They haven't lived here for very long. They can't know many people.
Ular bu yerda uzoq yashaganlari yo'q. Ular ko'p odamlarni bilishlari mumkin emas. Tuzilmani o'rganing.
He must be at work. U ishda bo'lish kerak. We can't be tired. Biz charchagan bo'lishimiz mumkin emas. They must be hungry. Ular och qolgan bo'lishlari kerak.
O'tgan zamon uchun
Must have done.
va
Can't have done.
birikmalari qo'llaniladi. Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Martin va Kate do'stlarining uyining tashqarisida turibdilar. Ular qo'ng'iroqni 3 marta chaldilar, lekin hech kim ochmadi.
They must have gone out.
Ular tashqariga chiqib ketgan bo'lishlari kerak.
Aks holda ular eshikni ochishardi.
We used to live very near the motorway.
Biz katta yo'lga juda yaqin yashardik.
Did you? It must have been very noisy.
Rostdanmi? Juda sershovqin bo'lgan bo'lsa kerak.
Yana misollar.
I've lost my key. I must have dropped it somewhere.
Kalitimni yo'qotibman. Uni biror joyda tushirib qoldirgan bo'lsam kerak.
The phone rang, but I didn't hear it. I must have been asleep.
Telefon jiringladi, lekin men uni eshitmadim. Uxlayotgan bo'lgan bo'lsam kerak.
Jane walked past me without speaking. She can't have seen me.
Jane yonimdan gapirmasdan o'tib ketdi. U meni ko'rgan bo'lishi mumkin emas.
Aks holda u menga gapirardi.
Tom walked into a wall. He can't have been looking where he was going.
Tom devorga borib urildi. U qayerga ketayotganini ko'rayotgan bo'lgani mumkin emas.
Aks holda u devorga urilmas edi. Tuzilmani o'rganing.
I must have been asleep.
Men uxlayotgan bo'lgan bo'lsam kerak.
He can't have gone too far.
U uzoqqa ketib bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin emas.
Can't have done.
Ning o'rniga
Couldn't have done.
ni qo'llash mumkin.
She couldn't have seen me. U meni ko'rgan bo'lishi mumkin emas.
Tom couldn't have been looking where he was going.
Tom qayerga ketayotganini ko'rayotgan bo'lgani mumkin emas.
Shu bilan unit 28 o'z yakuniga yetdi.
Endi odatdagidek leksika saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli test savollariga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Shuningdek, ushbu rolik uchun like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivoji uchun katta yordam beradi. Do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering va ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!